Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making an old school $1 million pound cake. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, don't forget to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have our ingredients for our cake. Up first, we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour that has been sifted and just a pinch of sea salt, 3 cups of granulated sugar, 6 eggs at room temperature, 4 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cups of buttermilk at room temperature. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 300 degrees. So we're going to start by placing our 4 sticks of butter in the bowl. Alright, so we're going to turn the mixer on, break this butter down a bit, and then we're going to add our granulated sugar. Once we add our sugar, we're going to let the mixer run for about 5 minutes, turn it off, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl, and then let the mixer run for another 5 minutes before we move on to adding our eggs. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my vanilla extract. We added about a tablespoon, and now we're going to add about a teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, so we're going to turn the mixer back on and begin to add our eggs one at a time. Now, once I finish this, we're going to start to add the rest of our ingredients. Because we're adding milk in this recipe, we're going to alternate between our flour mixture and our milk. Always start with your dry ingredients, end with your dry ingredients. So we're going to add about 1/3 of the flour, 1/2 of the milk, another 1/3 of the flour, the rest of the milk, and then we'll finish with the rest of the flour. Alright, I'm going to scrape down the bowl one more time, give it one final mix, and then we'll be ready to add our batter to the cake pan. Now, so I'm going to lightly spray my pan with Baker's Joy. I'm going to place this piece of parchment paper inside the pan. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been having issues with my cake sticking a little, so I'm going to try to combat it with that. So now I'm going to spray a little more Baker's Joy. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add our cake batter. All right, y'all, so we are going to place this in a 300-degree oven. It's going to bake for about 1:35, 1:45. I will let you know how long it takes in my oven, so I'll see you when it's time to take it out. Here is our cake right out of the oven. It baked for a total of 1 hour and 50 minutes. So we're going to let it sit in the pan for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll place it on a cake board. All right, so it has been 10 minutes. I've decided that I want the cake to be upright, so I'm gonna have to flip it twice. I'm gonna flip it once onto a plate and then flip it back onto the cake board that I'm gonna have the cake resting on. All right, so we have our cake board. I'm trying to decide if I want to add a glaze or not, but for now we're just going to let the cake cool, and I'll let you guys know what I decide when I get back. So I'm going to let the cake sit for about an hour to completely cool. So our cake is completely cooled. I did end up making a glaze. I just added some powdered sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. I didn't want it to be super thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle that on the cake now. All right, so let me bring you in for a closer shot. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our old school $1 million pound cake. If you guys have any questions about anything I've done, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. While you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.